Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, March 15th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Teachers, please post attendance. Also, teachers, please make sure your quarterly grades are all synced to PowerSchool and ready for report cards. All grades must be entered and verified before leaving on teacher workday. Please return the revised supply list to Ms. Horton by Wednesday, March 16th. PST. All PST documentation should be current. Today, our administrative instructional team will be coming to 2nd through 5th grades to do individual goal setting with students. The book fair will continue all this week through Thursday. Also, cell phones. Students should not have cell phones in class. If students bring a cell phone to school, it must remain in their backpack powered off. Outerwear. Many students are wearing jackets, sweatshirts that do not follow the uniform policy. Once students come into the building and are in classrooms, outerwear should meet uniform guidelines. No hoodies. Today's late duty is Miss Hogan. Tomorrow is Miss Granger, and Thursday is Miss Peralta. Important dates. Today we have a blood drive. Wednesday we have spring pictures. Thursday we have the end of the third quarter. Friday, March 18th is teacher workday and no school for students. Monday, March 21st, fourth quarter begins. March 21st through 25th, we have ACAP testing, 2nd and 3rd grade reading, and ACAP alternate. Tuesday, March 22nd is math PLT. Wednesday, March 23rd, HMH representative on campus. Friday, March 25th is Feel Good Friday, also World Epilepsy Day. Students may wear a purple shirt with uniform pants on this day for a $2 donation to support epilepsy. And Tuesday, March 29th is PST. That's all for today's news. Have a great day on this terrific Tuesday and try to stay dry. Kate Shepherd,